30 minutes, right? You been live for 8 hours, 30 minutes. And you get on there, you let time accumulate. You know, it been, what, a month or two. I'm referring to the Big Jake race. Triggerman, everybody there, right? You got Triggerman on the front. Hold on. Okay, you got Triggerman on the front, right? And then a month later, you get 11,000 views, right? To me, but anyways, I had 11,000 views, 200 and some likes, 230 likes, 280, whatever it was. I don't think I had 1,000 likes on no video. I ain't had 1,000 likes on no video, so I guess 1,000 too much to ask for, but it's alright. I gotta give Twitch a chance one time for the one time. Every time he raced, he had like, I mean, his car go over to the right.
Every twist is so bad when he lets off.
It's twisted.
When he lets off, the back is twisting like that real bad. So
they need an anti-roll bar, man, or something.
Where you gonna put it?
I'll just mess around. If Twitch don't work, I'm going to OnlyFans, man. I'm gonna get me an OnlyFans. I'm tired of shit. I always find something don't work. I'm gonna get me an OnlyFans, man. Gone. Or TikTok. I might go to TikTok. They be acting freaky on there. TikTok too freaky, y'all. Hey, man. TikTok, they be acting freaky. Man. All you gotta do is be a girl with some titties on TikTok. Jump up and down, let them motherfuckers bounce around. Shit. You got a subscriber.
You got a fuse?
Man, I knew somebody needed a ass Keezy.
Where he at?
Right over here.
Damn, my motherfucking fuse is going that thing.
Keezy G. Damn, I just seen him. He might be going, damn, he might be, damn. I don't see him no more. He was right there, so he going that way then. Oh, I'm finna go check on that rib, man. I had a rib on the, there.
That pass was good, boy.
Yeah, you was doing good. You definitely was doing good.
I just didn't know what it was, a pro tree or regular tree. That motherfucker, I was ready to go. I had to come off that house.
I'm finna go see if they got my ribs still over here. Ooh. I ain't really ready for that bitch. I really ain't ready for it. Slack probably got one. Slack, you got an extra fuse? Oh boy, looking for a fuse. Yeah, I'm gonna lead them in the right direction. You hear me? J Brad 30 in the building, man. Got defense in the building. You hear me? Y'all look like y'all cleaning up.
Yeah, your rib is still on.
It's still on there, miss?
Yes, I left your rib.
Already, miss. I'm glad you was looking out for me, man.
I hope they didn't take it though.
Ooh!
I kept telling them this.
It might be gone.
Miss,
now.
can you check it, miss? See if they done got me. Ooh, it was over here in the corner, not bothering nobody. Oh, there go one.
That's one of them. That's
Yeah,
one of them.
just give me that little piece right there.
It's both two.
That's all I need right here, him. Ooh, look at him. I'm happy. Don't be sorry for me. That's all I need, miss. I'm lightweight. Well, that's all I need. I'm mixing it now with a little liquor. I ain't ready for nothing. I ain't ready, miss. I know y'all got it all. I can't eat it all. I can't eat it all. God, man. Finish him. Yeah, I'm good. Boy, that thing ready. I ain't put no sauce on that motherfucker. Let me mess with this dude right here. Robert, what happened, man?
Well, I saw those stars.
Yeah, I seen that. They be doing that at Ennis.
No. Oh, the door. No.
So what y'all did, like made a little adjustment? Y'all trying to go faster? Or?
Well, we underestimated the track, so.
Oh, okay. You ain't leaking, is it? It ain't leaking, is it? Everything good, or it just made a little dent on something?
Come stand on that door frame.
Hey, man, you scared me when you went up in the air like that, man.
You're the one that works on it.
Oh, you the one who be working on it?
I'm like, fuck me, now I gotta fix more shit.
He said, fuck me, now I gotta fix more shit.